Welcome guys, this is a smart Bluetooth controlled fingerprint sensing home automation device with a relay module attached to it. Now this is a 4 channel relay module, AC05 Bluetooth module. This is Arduino IDE. Some jumper cables, this is male to male and some male to female jumper cables. Now we used a LED light for home automation. This is a 4 channel relay. In this relay module we can see there are mainly 3 pins: ground, VCC and for data pins. As we are using 4 channel relay, so there is 4 data pins. We will use only one. Now I shall connect a jumper cable to VCC, second one in the ground, and the third one in the data communication pin. As we are using 4 channel relay, we have 4 data communication pin. I will use the first one, that is IN1 pin. Next one is Bluetooth module AC05. It has 6 pins, namely state, RxD, TxD, ground, VCC and enable pin. We will use only 4 pins, that is RxD, TxD, ground and VCC pins only. Now I will connect the jumper cable to the VCC, then next one in the ground, third one in the TxD pin of AC05 and fourth one in the RxD pin of AC05. Okay. Now for the interfacing of relay with Arduino, we will connect the data communication pin of relay with the Arduino in 12 number digital pin. Then connect the VCC pin of Bluetooth module with the Arduino 5V. Then the ground pin with the ground of Arduino. Then the rest TxD and RxD will remain open until the program is uploaded. Sorry, I have to give 5V both Arduino and relay module, so I will use breadboard to split the connection of 5V and use the 5V to both Arduino and relay. And the ground pin of relay will connect to the ground of Arduino. And now the VCC of relay is connecting to the 5V. Now for home automation, as we have used a LED light, so I'll connect it with the relay. Every channel of relay, it has 3 pins. The middle one is common pin, the outer one is normally connected or NC, and the inner one is normally open or NO pin. As the name suggests, normally the middle and the outer pins get connected. Whenever we send any data according wise, it will close and open itself. Now I will connect my 2 wires in the common and the normally open pin. In the programming part of Arduino, in the setup part, I have defined 12 as output. In the void loop part, whenever a character A is sent from the fingerprint.apk file, it will send an data to the relay module and according wise it will act. After the uploading of the code, as I have earlier said, the RX and TX pin of Bluetooth AC05 module will connect to the Arduino RX and TX. Mind it, always RX will connect to TX and TX will connect to RX. Now I will connect the plug to the 220 volt AC supply, and in the screen I have connected my Bluetooth of mobile to the AC05. After pressing the scan finger option, I will scan my finger in the fingerprint sensor of my mobile and the light will on. Thank you for watching.